Yeah, yeah. Whoa, I'm so pretty and he like that. When he beat it up, he deep inside that.
What's up, everyone? It's Cambella Simone, and I am back with another YouTube video. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can join the family today. So, y'all know I'm trying to dibble and dabble with the hair video, so I'm back with another hair video, and today I'm installing this wig. This wig is from Westkiss Hair. It is a 22-inch curly wig, and I already had it before, but I'm trying to revive it so I can get my curly vibes on because I was really feeling the curly vibes. For this installment, I did use Ghost Bond as the lace glue, and in my preference, I really like Ghost Bond. It holds my wigs down, especially when I tie it down with a wrap or a scarf. So that's why I always go to it. So throughout the process, you'll just see me kind of slaying this wig. I've never really tried a full lace wig, which I want to. This is a 3x4, and I want to try a full lace wig, but that time will come when it comes, But I'm going to slay this for now. So just continue watching, and I will see y'all at the final look.
bought it, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No. All I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name? Say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you say you hit my line, I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works, where did you?
So y'all, this is the final look. This is the hair. I love the curls on it. It's so pretty. Like, yes, ma'am. Yeah, I just did like nothing crazy. I just did lashes and some eyebrows, y'all. It's chill night. I'm gonna go out tomorrow, so I'll do like a full glam. Yeah. So let's see. Oh yeah, I kept this in stock. I'm gonna be wearing wigs like that, but y'all, I'm gonna get better. But it's cute. Alright, y'all.